To resolve a failed download or apply critical settings issue, first check your internet connection, error info, and look for HTTP errors and SSL connect failures. If you're encountering this error, close it and proceed to the next step. Open your computer's task manager by right-clicking on an empty area of the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. In the Task Manager, search for any instances of the program and shut them down by clicking on each instance and selecting End Task. Next, open the Windows search function and type Run, then open the Run application. Type %local app data % and press OK to open the corresponding folder. In this folder, locate the Programs folder, which should be under the letter R, and open it. Inside, you'll find a Versions folder. Open this folder and delete all the versions listed by hovering over them. Right-clicking and selecting Delete. These versions are previous iterations of the program that you've had on your computer. After deleting the previous versions, close the folder and navigate to the program's home screen. Select any experience or game you'd like to play and press the play button. You'll be prompted to open the program's protocol, which will notice that you don't have the program installed on your computer since you erased the previous versions. Click Download and Install to get the newest and freshest version of the program. And once the installation is complete, you should be able to play the game again.